through LMS, through Vasavi LMS. First of all, you should log in your trainer ID and trainer password. Okay. Next, go to live engineering sessions. And turn on editing option. Then you can get a live engineering courses, and you should go to your course. Yeah, this is my optics and waves course. Okay, I will add an activity in my course. Add an activity. Next activity is I have to conduct an exam. Okay, so that is my activity. Now put a tick mark, put an option for quiz. Okay, and then add. Yeah, as like live engineering sessions, you can add a quiz. Now I will write here live mock exam. Suppose if an exam is marked on what is the date, maybe 26th, sorry, maybe 31 May 2020 at what time, maybe 10 AM for suppose civil engineering students, by period. This is this is a scheduling of a class. Already Vamsi sir has mentioned. Okay, now we can give some description. Live mock exam for civil students on suppose magnetism. Yeah, on magnetism. Display the course. You can give the timings, starting time and ending time. That is open the quiz and closing the quiz. Open the quiz at what time? At 10 AM. Closing the quiz. Suppose if you want to conduct an exam of duration 20 minutes, you can put 20 minutes duration. Enable time means the time limit is displaced when the exam is going on. Okay, the elapsed time is also displaced in the point of view of students, so they can see the elapsed time. What is the time? 20 minutes. Okay, now when the time expires, see, attempt must be submitted before time expires or they are not counted. Okay, if they cannot be submitted, they cannot be treated as attempted person. Okay. Next, see, there is also one option. There is a grace period when open attempts can be submitted but no more questions answered. If the student may be forgotten to submit, okay, then there is an option, that is another 1 or 2 minutes may be given for submitting only, but no student can be answered. Are you sure? Yeah. Now put a tick mark. Submission grace period: 1 day, week, hours, minutes. Suppose I will give 3 minutes for submission only. If the student may be forgotten the submit option, they have another grace period for submitting only. Okay. Next, grade, we can leave it. Layout, don't put a layout. Question behavior, yes, see, shift, shuffle within questions. If you are putting an option to this one, the questions is shuffled. Okay. Next, review option, already all the options are tick mark. Okay, no need to put any option in review option. Next, appearance, that is show for users as a picture, small images, large images, no images, like that. If you are putting a small images form, that exam is appears in images formation. Okay. Extra restrictions, if you want to set a password you can give. Okay. Next, overall feedback, no need. Common model settings, no need. Restrict access, yeah, now we should know. You know how to add a restriction, you pretty know that. So I didn't stress out more. I didn't give any stress out more on this one. Next, activity completion. Activity completion, show activity as complete when the conditions are met. Okay. Student must receive a grade to complete this activity. If you put a tick mark, passing grade, passing grade. Okay. Next, expected completed on, students have to complete the exam within 20 minutes. So you have to give 10-20, and 3 more minutes maybe you are given for attempt for submitting. So you have to give 23 minutes or 25 minutes, whatever. 23 is must and should. Yeah. No. Save and return to the course. Sorry, something. Yeah, this quiz does not at grade pass. It may be set into the grade section by the quiz setting. This asking quiz setting, so put a remove the tick mark for required passing grade. Now shall we go? Yes. See, live mock exam on 21st May at 10 a.m. for civil engineering students was added. Okay. Now click on the activity button. Now click on the editing button. Okay. Send a notification to the students. Okay, that is also, you know. Now how to add a questions. Click on that. Okay, edit the quiz, edit the quiz. Now see, add add a new question. Okay, or add questions from question bank, and the system is taken the questions randomly if the question bank is uploaded. That is also one option. Now I will give a new question. Okay, if you want to give multiple choice questions, you should put a tick mark to the multiple choice. If you want to give true or false, if you want to give matching, put a tick mark for matching. Short answer questions, essay questions, all the questions are question formats is also there. Now I will put a tick mark for multiple choice questions. Add. Yeah. Now see that this is default. Category is default. Default for a live engineering session. Okay. Now see. Question name. Single answer objective questions. Okay. Single answer objective questions. Now see. Write the question in this paragraph. What is the question? I want to give which materials exhibit Meissner effect. Something spelling is correct. MEI. Double S is also there. Okay. Which materials exhibit Meissner effect? Okay. Now you can give the marks 1 mark, 2 marks, 3 marks. Okay. If you are giving a multiple choice questions, that is carries 1 mark. If you are giving single answer questions, that carries 2 marks, 3 marks, depending on the question. Okay. Next, no need to give a feedback. Okay. See, one answer or multiple answer. One answer. If you want to give more than one, multiple answer can be allowed. I am give only one answer. Shuffle the choices. Okay. If the student is open the question, A, B, C, D options is enabled. Okay. After he doesn't know the answer, he doesn't know the exact answer, then he can go to the next second question or third question. Okay, by leaving the first question. Next, the student have to submit, the student have to fill, have to give an option for question 1. They will, the student will come back to the question 1. Okay, next onwards, for second onwards, the choices are shuffled. Okay, if he know the answer, then he can exactly put an exact answer. Okay, the answers are shuffled. If he reopens, the answer is shuffled. Number of choices A, B, C, like that. Okay, now you can give the answers choice 1, choice 2, choice 3, choice 4, like that. Okay, now I am give a choice one, diamagnetic materials. Now this is the exact answer. This is the answer for this question. Okay, so you can give a grade for this answer at 100%. Okay, because this is the answer for the above question, so you should give a grade for 100% to this answer. Next, choice 2, paramagnetic. Paramagnetic materials. Sorry, paramagnetic materials. In this choice, don't give any grade percentage. Don't give any grade percentage. You can just leave it. Next, choice 3, ferromagnetic materials. This is not an answer for the above question, so I didn't give any grade. None. Okay, I want to give only 3 choice. You should fill only 3 choice. You can leave it the remaining choices. Choice 4 and choice 5 is also, you can leave it. If you want to give a fourth option is also in the question, so anti-ferro magnetic materials. Are you understood? Yeah. Now open, click on save changes and continuity. Okay, if you want to extend more options in the question, you can give blanks for 3 more choices. Okay, no need to fill combined feedback, multiple tries and tags. Okay, we can leave all these things. Now we can save changes and continue editing. Now see, this is the preview. You can see, this is the preview. You can see how the question maybe appears in the student point of view. See, click on the preview. Yes, this is the question format. See, which materials exhibit Meissner effect? Option A, option B. Option A, antiferro. While I am typing antiferro magnetic materials given in option choice 4, but now we can see it appears in option A, diamagnetic materials. Option B, ferromagnetic materials. Now I will put, I know the answer, but I will put C, ferromagnetic materials, and submit and finish. See, you can check. Yeah, your answer is incorrect. The correct answer is diamagnetic material. Okay, after entering a question, after feeding a question, we can check what is the exact answer. Okay, now close the now save changes. After seeing the preview, save the changes. This is the one question. Now you can see the maximum marks is appeared in this box. What is the maximum mark? 1 mark. That is 1 mark. This is the question 1. Okay, these questions are appears in a page 1. Now you can add another question in the page, in the same page, that is in page, on the page 1. Then you can also click on add a new question. Okay, the next entering question is appears on page 1 only. Now I will go another question. This is also single answer objective question. Now which I will give another question. Which materials exhibit or shows exhibit which materials contains domains. Which materials contains domains? This is the question. Okay, default mark is 1. Multiple answer, only single answer. Shuffle is questions. Now what is the answers? Now diamagnetic material. This is the choice 1, but it is not a answer for the above question, so I left it grade as none. Next choice, what is the choice 2? Ferromagnetic material. This is the answer, so I grade 100% to this option. Next, paramagnetic material. Paramagnetic materials. Don't give any grade to this option. Now you can see save changes and continue editing. If you are clicking the save changes and continue editing, the preview option is enabled. Okay, yeah, this is the preview option. You can see the preview. Now see which materials contains domains. Select the option. Okay, only 3 options is there. Only 3 options. Now I will select a ferromagnetic metal. Ferromagnetic metal is the answer. Submit and finish. See, your answer is correct. Answer is ferromagnetic metal. Okay, now close the code. See, I will show you the shuffling of answer means I will show you. Yeah, you can submit. Yeah, paramagnetic metals, ferro and diamagnetic metal appears. Now appears. If you start again these options, now see options are changes. Ferromagnetic metal, para and diamagnetic. Okay, yeah. Shuffling means that. Save changes. See, all these questions appears in same page one, in save page. Now if all the questions are completed, then we can save this exam. Don't forget to save this exam. This is the save option button. Now total marks 2 marks. Okay, you can increase the maximum grade. Sorry, this is the maximum grade for grading point of view. This is the maximum grade, 10 grade. This is the total marks because you are giving only 2 questions. Okay, then next I will show you in case of a mathematical equations is there, how to add an image. See, multiple choice questions. I will add another multiple choice. Single answer objective questions. If you want to add a picture, you can click on the